Hello, my name's Martin Whatman. Welcome to this series of videos on Virtualbox. This video is on installing Virtualbox. First of all, we're going to download Virtualbox from the website virtualbox.org. After that, we'll look at the differences between Virtualbox, Windows and Linux. We'll then look at the extension pack and the features that it will install inside Virtualbox, no matter which version you use. Last but not least, we'll look at how to set the default machine folder. This is the place where your virtual machines will reside. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to open a browser and go to the Virtualbox website. A new tab, www.virtualbox.org. We need to click on the link Downloads on the left hand side. You can see there are different versions of Virtualbox to download for Windows hosts, OS X or Mac hosts, Linux or Solaris. If you do click on Linux, there's a range of different Linux distributions where Virtualbox has a specific install for. We're going to download and install the Windows version. In our case, we'll just click on this link here and save the file. Additionally, we need to install the extension pack. If you have a look at the supporting documentation here on the website, it shows that the extension pack supports USB 2 devices, allows remote desktop protocol, and PXE booting with Intel cards. For that reason, we'll be downloading and installing the Virtualbox extension pack. Click on the link and save the file. I'll just pause here while the download completes. The downloads have now completed. So first of all, we're going to install Virtualbox. Click on Run. We'll hit Next. Next. Allow it to install. Click Next. And Yes. And hit the Install button. It pops up with start the Virtualbox after the installation. We don't need to do that at the moment, so I'll untick the box and click Finish. What we would like to do is to install the extension pack. So the extension pack that's been downloaded, we'll click to install that. It pops open Virtualbox and then starts the install. Just click on the Install button. You'll need to pull the slider all the way down to the bottom and read the acceptable use policy before you can hit I agree. After the extension pack's been installed, just hit the OK button. We can check to make sure that the extension pack has been installed. If we click on File and down to Preferences, in the left hand pane here, click on Extensions, and we'll see that the extension pack has in fact been installed. We want to also click on the General tab on the left hand side, and we'd like to set the default machine folder. So in our case we were going to click the drop down, press other, and then select the particular directory where we would like to install all of our virtual machines. In my case I have a specific drive V for virtual machines, and I've created a folder that I put all of my Virtualbox virtual machines in, just called VBoxes. So I'll click on that and select OK. That redirects the creation of all virtual machines into that particular folder, which makes it easier to back up later on when needed. In summary, we have downloaded the latest version of Virtualbox from its website. We have installed the extension pack, which has given us extra features, and set the default machine folder in order to redirect all the virtual machines to a specific location. I'd like to thank you for watching this particular video and hope that the install of your Virtualbox goes smoothly.